Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Match in WinZO. WinZO offers a thrilling, skill-based version of the classic Match 3 puzzle game, often referred to as Candy Crush by players. To begin, simply open your WinZO application and locate the Candy Match game within the Casual Games section. This game challenges you to strategize and react quickly, providing an engaging experience with real opponents. Get ready to swap and match your way to victory and exciting rewards. The core gameplay of Candy Match involves swapping adjacent candies to form lines of 3 or more identical colors. When you match 4 or 5 candies or create specific shapes, you'll generate powerful special candies like striped, wrapped, or color bombs. These special candies can clear larger sections of the board, boosting your score significantly. Remember, WinZO's Candy Match often includes a time limit, typically around 2 minutes, so quick thinking and strategic moves are key to achieving a high score and outscoring your opponent. To achieve high scores and win in Candy Match, focus on creating and combining special candies. For instance, combining a striped candy with a wrapped candy can clear a large area. Always try to make matches at the bottom of the board, as this often leads to cascades, generating more points automatically. Keep a close eye on the timer and your opponent's score. Aim for a score of at least 1,500 points to significantly increase your chances of winning against other players. For advanced play, consistent practice is essential. Many players recommend trying free practice games first to develop your speed and strategy. WinZO often offers various tournaments and challenges for Candy Match, allowing you to compete for cash prizes. Remember to strategically use any in-game boosters you acquire, as they can turn the tide in close matches. After a victory, your winnings are typically credited to your WinZO wallet, which you can then withdraw through various secure methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.